Welcome in. Welcome in. We're in the cab now. Give you guys a little rundown on how it looks. Obviously, Storyteller added a bunch of beautiful, aesthetically pleasing texturing. You know, the carpentry in here is done really well. It all looks really nice. It looks good. Down in the nitty gritty, this thing has 3 sources of power to it. It's got a 4,500 watt inverter that'll run and charge off of the secondary alternator that's under the cab in the chassis compartment. That'll charge everything. It has just about 2,000 watts of solar up top that'll actually charge all your lithium batteries. And not to mention, it's got a backup diesel generator in this thing. You know, it's got systems to where if your batteries get too low, whatever, it'll kick on automatically, or you can engage it yourself and it'll charge everything. So that's the power system. It's a beauty. You have, in this Epic, you have more storage than in any RV I've ever seen. You have all of these drawers all throughout here. You have all the cabinets, everything. Farm style sink, dual induction burner right here. Come check this out. This is your bathroom right here. Look how big this thing is. I mean, I'm fully stretched out. This is a massive, massive bathroom, wet bath. You got your shower in here, everything like that. That's probably my favorite component about it, is how big that bathroom is. One thing a lot of people don't see, full washer and dryer combo in here. Look at that. Wash your clothes while you're on your trip, boondocking, you know, you're out for weeks or whatever, you can wash all your clothes right here. Queen size bed. You have USB and 12-volt outlets in the front there, a bunch of storage for clothes and whatnot. And then to your right here, you actually have a interface where you can control all your lighting, you can control your AC, you can even turn on the exterior lights from there for security purposes, whatever. Full cab pass-through here, you can crawl in and out if you wanted to. Full-size residential fridge, 8 cubic feet just about. In the fridge freezer, you got full combo in here. There's your freezer. Then here's your fridge. About 8 cubic feet, full induction, convection oven, air fryer on this thing. I mean, you can do anything, convection oven. One thing that a lot of these adventure vehicles don't come with is a TV. This comes with a TV, a little flat screen. You know, most of the time you're gonna be sitting outside enjoying yourself, boondocking and enjoying nature. But when it's bad weather outside, it's raining, it's too hot like it is here in San Antonio, you can come inside, kick it in the AC, watch some TV, watch some Netflix, whatever you want to do. So that's the primary stuff about the Epic. You know where to find it, you know where to go. Hawks Outdoors, you can come talk to me directly. Our whole team is super knowledgeable about everything we do. It's on my website, hawksoutdoors.com. You know where to go. Come check us out. We'll see you when you get here.